Okay, here we are going to show you how to remove or replace the fenders on the Aria and Aria LX. For this operation, you will need any sharp object like this cutter to remove these rubber caps that are here. So you just have to insert and push the rubber caps outwards. Do it carefully. Here we have the rubber caps. You have to repeat the same operation on the other side. So here we have the other cap. And now with the same cutter, you have to lift the sticker here a little bit on both sides as well, because there's a bolt inside. So I repeat the same operation here. And then you're going to need a 3mm Allen wrench. There's 4 bolts, 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. So you can start by unbolting the bottom ones. So as you can see, this is a 2-part Fender system. So here we're removing both sides of the fender. And then to remove the fender, the actual fender, you will need a small screwdriver. It's a Phillips screwdriver, and it has 4 bolts. 2 here on this side and 2 on the other side. You can also do this operation with the scooter on the floor to avoid any parts from falling. We do it at this height to make it easy to make the video. So I'm removing the other 2 bolts on this side, and I'm holding the fender here so it doesn't fall out. And now I have removed the fender. You have now the tire without fenders.